Hi everybody, it's Susan with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. So I'm not exactly doing a show and tell on this little video, but what I wanted to do was let you know about my Bundle to Go program using the Truly Tailored bundle. So this bundle is in our Spring Occasions catalog. Some of you may have already scooped it up. It is retiring, so that's why I'm doing this little quick video. So every month I usually pick a bundle and feature it as a Bundle to Go offer, where if you buy the stamps and the punch, you can then subscribe to me, and I do 6 card tutorials with written recipes, photographs, and a video tutorial like I usually do in the Stamp and Show and Tell. Because this package is retiring, and so far I haven't had anybody, I've had some people show interest, but no one's actually subscribed to do the Bundle to Go. I've decided to make this one a digital only offer. So instead of receiving 6 card kits that I prep for you in the mail, this one you can now only purchase as a digital tutorial. So you'll still get 6 cards with a video tutorial and written description sent to you via email, but I'm not going to be cutting kits for this one because being the product's retiring, if people sign up for it after it's retired, I can't get it to subscribe to make you the kits. So I just wanted to show with you the 6 cards that I'm featuring in my Bundle to Go. And so if you haven't already purchased the items, you can purchase them still until they are retired at the end of May. So it's the Designer Series paper, the Tue Gentleman Designer Series paper. Truly Tailored is the stamp set. The punch is called Tailored Tag Punch. It's got this great Night of Navy corduroy ribbon, which is really a lot of fun and it feels great. And then I think mostly the colors I used were Night of Navy, Chocolate Chip, and maybe Tranquil Tide when I made my cards. So this is really a fun guy set. I know a lot of us have trouble doing guy cards sometimes because we all like our butterflies and flowers, but this one kind of makes its cards all on its own. So let me just show you the cards that I'm going to feature, and then if you're interested you can email me and let me know you would like the digital version of the Bundle to Go. And so I do six videos and written descriptions of the cards with photographs, and it's $15. So, and instead of getting it over 6 months, you'd get it all at once because these are done and ready to go. Okay, so here's the first one. This is kind of a fun fold. Okay, I used a Z fold idea, and then we're using that fun punch to make the front. Okay, and it's got that fun Night of Navy ribbon on it. Here's one done with the plaids. Okay, and the inside is a mimic of that front. Here's the one for our guys who like the pipes. I know there aren't very many of them left, but there's some of our older gentlemen that still like the pipes. And I used the fun buttons if you want to pick up the Tue Gentleman buttons as an accessory. I did use those on one card. Sometimes I find the buttons are a little bit hard because it's hard to mail, but they kind of are a fun thing. Alright, so there's 3. Then this one I borrowed the fox from our fox set, because this one says You're a Fox. So if you had that, you coordinated in there. If you didn't have it, it would be fine all by itself without it. And so then I used that there. So then I've got 2 more. To a classy kind of guy. This is using that fun punch to make a pattern front. And then Hoping Your Day is as grand as you. So there you go. Those are the 6 cards that I'm going to do tutorials on. So again, if you're interested, the links are below to contact me. I also have the links below to my online store if you need to order these products, and they're listed in this description. And this goes along with today's show and tell that we did with this set. So it all ties in together today. So thanks for a little extra time, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Bye-bye now.